I'm the developer who made the game Northern Journey. It is available on Steam, so check out the link below. We start with these dumb skeletons. There was something I needed to figure out. How does Unreal prioritize hitbox overlap within the same frame? That turned out to be a fascinating question. When the sword strikes the skeleton, it might overlap several hitboxes, especially in low frame rates. Some hitboxes should have priority over others. If there is armor, I need to register that hit first, so it can disable a damage hitbox under. I could register all hits and then do this sorting in the next frame, but I want it done in the same frame. This actor has 4 identical hitboxes. I will name them and print on screen which hitbox are registered first. First I tried it in editor. Then I tried it in standalone game. Now the weird thing is, the 2 modes seem to prioritize differently. So I did many tests, changed the names and also parented them to dummy cubes. Here are the results. I cannot understand how in-editor seems to prioritize overlaps. But standalone does prioritize in a recognizable way. It just starts at the top and works its way down. Meaning, naming does not matter. Now the problem is you cannot move a component manually in the actor component list. That is really not good. The solution I use is to parent all collision components to a suitable thing. Now all armor comes first in the list and damage further down. This is really annoying to do, but I guess this is something few people using Unreal will ever run into. I really hope this is done the same way in a game build. So, let us talk about something more happy. Impalement. This is a barbarian, brutal world, so I need some modular people on stakes, of course. I do not want them fresh and bloody, but old looking. I want the atmosphere they bring, not the gore. I took the skeleton mesh and made a dried up skin mesh on top. Those 2 meshes was then parented onto the same skeleton armature. Now I can make many different poses. I call it a barbarian twister game, or barbarian creativity. The outside skin mesh material is masked by vertex color, so I can paint skin away to reveal the skeleton below. But here came the next problem. The vertex paint do for some reason paint directly onto the base actor and not only the instance. Seems like you cannot do individual vertex paint on a skeleton mesh, meaning all the impaled people seems to get the same vertex paint. So I had to make individual static meshes from all the animation poses. Again, a bit annoying, but it works now, which is the most important thing. At least I know how to do this. It was really a Pathfinder object, and I now have a lot of play props to place in the levels. Next thing is lava. I need some okay lava materials for basic visual level design. Material has vertex paint, so I can paint different lava types for a prettier result. I then built a large part of this level, but I could not get it to feel like I wanted it. So I had to delete a lot of work, but that is level design, iterations. Then suddenly Northern Journey came with some nice bugs, and I could not work on this project for a while. When I returned, I focused on getting a better visual look, more dark. I also made a lightning actor, which will flash every once in a while. Now I am at least getting somewhere, I think. It is much more easy to try new things when standing on somewhat stable ground. So I have made a catapult throw rocks at the player. They can break a certain part of the wall and there will be a cave revealed behind. Inside that cave, I had the idea to make the player need to kill skeletons in torture-like ways to proceed. As I have said, the tone of this game shall be much darker. And while someone drowns in lava, I need to get back into it. See you on the next one.